Above the water, you are safe. No teeth, no claws, nothing can reach you. Except for this remarkable predator, it doesn't jump, it doesn't chase, it shoots. Perfect aim from below. If this fish misses, it doesn't eat, but it almost never misses. This is not luck. This is a biological targeting system. The prey is above water, the fish is below. Between them is a refractive boundary. Light bends at the surface. What the fish sees is not where the insect really is. To hit the target, it must aim somewhere else, somewhere invisible. It compensates in real time. Angle, distance, motion. It doesn't shoot immediately, it studies. It tracks micro movements. If the insect shifts, the fish recalculates instantly. This is predictive targeting. Now, the weapon. The fish forms a narrow channel using its tongue. It compresses its gill covers. Water accelerates through the barrel. This is not a splash. It's a projectile. The jet thickens at the front. Mass concentrates. Impact force increases mid-flight. One shot. No correction. The insect detaches instantly. Escape window, 0. This is ballistic execution. But the system doesn't stop there. The fish is already moving. It predicts where the insect will fall. It intercepts before others react. Archerfish improve with experience. They adjust to new angles, new heights, new distances. This is adaptive calibration. Let's break it down. Optical distortion correction, motion prediction, pressure amplification, projectile shaping, impact anticipation. 5 modules, 1 organism. Engineers build targeting computers to solve these problems. Complex software, sensors, calibration systems. This fish carries it biologically. No electronics, no software. Just wetware precision. If this fish misses, it doesn't eat, but it almost never misses. At Design by Nature, we see systems, and this one is a living targeting computer.